Meet the new lineup of 2023 CVO street and road glide models that feature the Harley-Davidson powered by Rockford Fosgate audio systems, all straight from the factory. With more power and higher performance than ever before, this audio system pushes the boundaries of audio output on your next ride. So let's dive in and take a closer look. First, let's talk about power and performance. This purpose-built 4-channel amplifier produces amazing output, even with its small footprint. 125 watts per channel, 500 watts in total. This supercharged integrated digital DSP amplifier provides all the audio amplification you're looking for. With superior thermal management, it's designed to run all day and never run out of power, all without impacting your bike's electrical system. Now, let's jump into the speakers. This system features two 3-way 6.5-inch and two 3-way 5x7-inch coaxial speakers. They're rated to handle 150 watts of power per speaker. We also measured rider positioning and designed them specifically so that they're always directly pointed at you, making sure the music is heard over wind, road, and exhaust noise. The entire system was also designed element ready. It's engineered to perform no matter the weather conditions, so water, dust, dirt won't be an issue. The bottom line is you want to hear your audio over your motorcycle, road noise, and exhaust, even while wearing a helmet. And these new audio systems will deliver that audio performance you have always wanted.